Hello everybody, my name is Joyce. Today I talk about the conditional. First, the meaning of conditional. Conditional describe the result of something that might happen in present or future, but didn't in past. In this occasion, we can see the first conditional. The first conditional has the present simple after if. Then the future simple in this clause or in other clause. The first conditional is used to talk about things which might happen in the future, describe possible things or which could still came true. Then we see some samples about first conditional. It's lost the okay. The first sample, the first sentence in first conditional is I will get really happy if you can't visit me on Sunday. Number 2, if I win some money, I will buy a new car. The third, if the weather is nice, I could go on a picnic with my family. The next, if I go to the university, I will graduate in 4 years. If I go to the cinema, I would like to see a scary movie. If I get up early tomorrow, I will clean my whole house. My whole house. If I don't have breakfast tomorrow morning, I will eat cereal. I will swim in the sea if I get to pass my diving practice. If I pass my exams, I will win a scholarship to study in Russia. I will drive to work if my husband does not take me in his car. Thank you very much. I see you soon. Bye.